In this tutorial, we are going to talk about cracking WEP passwords with AirCrack NG. So let's first see what is WEP. WEP is Wide Equivalent Privacy, and it is a security algorithm for IEEE standard 802.11 wireless network. It was ratified in 1997, and in 2003 it was superseded by WPA and WPA2 in 2004. The WEP security algorithm uses Stream Cipher RC4 for confidentiality and the CRC32 checksum for integrity. The WEP uses a 40-bit key which is concatenated with a 24-bit initialization vector to form RC key. You see, most of the devices that are using WEP allow 5 ASCII characters or 13 ASCII characters only. Each character represents 4 bits, but it was turned into 8 bits. I'll show you the calculation of creating the bits of WEP key. So if you are giving a 5-character password and the 5 character and it was multiplied by 8 bits plus the initialization vector 24 bits is equals to 64 bit of WEP key. And likewise, if you are giving a 13-character password in multiplied by 8 bits with the 24-bit additional IV, it gives 128 bits of WEP key. Okay, let's see with an example. First, I'm opening my terminal in Kali Linux, and we are going to check whether our wireless adapter is operational or not. So not all the wireless adapters support the monitor mode, so we are going to check with the command iwconfig. It says that our wireless adapter is operational, and we are going to type the next command airmon -ng, which is going to check for any other monitor devices that are connected to our system at present. So there is no monitor mode connected to the system, and what we are going to do is we are going to convert our wireless adapter into a monitored mode wireless adapter. So before that, I'm going to show you the commands that we are going to use in this session. Okay, so let's first type airmon -ng, sorry, airmon -ng named Joshua, and it is using the encryption WEP, and the channel number is 4, and the BSS ID is this. I'm going to copy the BSS ID, and we are going to stop this, and we are going to type another command, arrow dump -ng minus BSS ID, the targeted devices BSS ID and the channel number, and we are going to write it in a file, and finally we are going to conclude this command with the monitor mode interface's name. So what we are going to do is we are going to type arrow dump -ng arrow dump -ng minus BSS ID, and I'm going to paste the BSS ID of the targeted network -C, the channel number is 4, and we are going to write it as web tut, and followed by seconds that are collected in this terminal is slow, and we are going to speed up the process by using this software. We need to wait for some more time. I'm trying it again. No. We're going to try it again. We are going to try it for the last time. Yes, finally we have found the key. The key is Apple, and this is how we can crack the WEP passwords using AirCrack NG. Thank you for watching.